Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're at Joe Nall 2025. We're here on the float fly line. Float fly is just wonderful, folks. I'll tell you right now, this is a massive lake, huge. You can almost land a full-scale airplane here, and it's just beautiful. We got the nice breeze blowing off the lake. It's a gorgeous day, and right in front of us, we've got a fantastic airplane right here. Fantastic. Looks like a Monocoupe. Is that correct, sir? Monocoupe. Got a wonderful Monocoupe. Let me see if I can come on over to the front of the aircraft. Sorry for the bounce in there, folks. One floats. Not often you see something of that size here, and also for that matter, most of them are foamies. So this is a real treat. So folks, sit back, relax. Please make sure your life vests are on, and enjoy the flight. See the size of the plane. Gentleman's trying to be real careful not to slip down the bank into the lake. Would not make for a happy day.
Close enough for you on the video?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know you were talking to me. You're doing a beautiful job, my friend. Beautiful job. Is it possible to torque roll the aircraft over the lake? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I hope I didn't mess you up there. Oh my goodness, that's terrible. I'm so sorry. Oh goodness gracious. Folks, stay with us here. Crash coverage continues here at Plain Fun RC. Gorgeous airplane right into the lake. Ah, that's terrible. We're going to try to go to the bank, we're going to try to go to the other side and get the plane. Folks, I'm going to check back in just 1 second. Don't go anywhere, folks. Crash coverage continues here at Plain Fun RC. Pilots approach the aircraft. He's trying to assess to see if he can get in to get the plane. It looks like it's caught on the net. Let me zoom in a little tighter here, folks. Yeah, you can see that net there. It's kind of caught on the net. I would venture to say he's going to have a rather difficult time, especially if that propeller is caught within that net there, that's going to be a bit of a precarious situation. I predict he may even need to get the boat. I think they're sort of assessing things there. By this point, it would have gone to the shore, but you can see how the net is just keeping the aircraft from going any further. Whoops, sorry folks, I apologize for the out of focus here. Stay with us, folks. Crash coverage is continuing. That's going to be a tough one there. Looks like he's going to go ahead and just wade in the water. I think he should be okay. I don't think it's going to get too deep right there. Yeah, so there you go. Not too deep. He's checking for the... Oh, there you go. He's using the net to bring it over. Smart move on his part. Venture to say, if you look very carefully, those floats are probably keeping the aircraft from actually sinking. As you can see there. There you go, using the net to bring the airplane in. Brilliant idea there, folks. Brilliant idea. Well, the plane for the most part is intact. I think it's pretty safe to say that engine is shot. Maybe the electronics might be protected too. Looks like mostly it's undercarriage damage. I'm going to try to zoom in. I probably will get out of focus here, but let's just give it a shot. Oh, a little bit of out of... Oh, not too bad. Okay. It's a large aircraft, folks. They're just trying to figure out how to get it out of the water without falling in. Oh, looks like they got it. He's just trying to grab the floats there. Oh, I think they got it, gentlemen, folks. Let's see what happens. Bit of an embankment there, rather steep embankment that is. You got to be really careful there. You don't want to slip and fall in that mud. That mud is still real, even though it's been warmer out. Hasn't rained. The mud is still very real and still very slippery, by the way, very slippery. But they've got it out of the water, so that's good. Alright friends, I think we're going to stop right here. I think everything should be okay at this point. Alright friends, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and more to come.